As you build your visualizations, you may want to save them as master visualizations to reuse in other sheets, both for yourself and for others using your app. To add a visualization to the master items, right-click on a visualization in your sheet and select Add to Master Items. If you've already given the visualization a title, it will automatically appear as the name of the master visualization. You can change it if needed. Optionally, add the label expression, description, and tags. When done, click Add. The visualization is now available in Master Visualizations. Now, users who have access to this app can use this master visualization in their own analysis. If you create visualizations using chart suggestions, they cannot be added to master visualizations unless you first disable the chart suggestion option. As before, add a name to the master visualization and click Add. Both visualizations are now available in Master Visualizations. Master visualizations can always be edited. If the visualization is already used on a sheet, any changes to the master visualization will be applied to all of its instances across sheets. Make the desired changes to the master visualization. When finished, click Done. The visualization is updated and the changes are reflected in all instances of the master visualization. If you want to make changes only to the current visualization without affecting the master visualization, you need to first unlink the visualization. To unlink a visualization, right-click on it and select Unlink Visualization. You can then make the changes you want to the visualization. Unlinking removes the connection between the visualization on your sheet and the master item. The visualization becomes independent, so changes made to it are not applied to the master visualization. You can also delete visualizations from the master items. To do this, right-click the visualization you want to delete and select Delete. If the visualization is used on any sheets, there will be invalid instances of it. The visualization is deleted from the master items, and in all sheets where it was used, you will see invalid visualizations. You will then need to remove or replace the invalid visualizations. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.